If you want to hear the answer to this question, stay tuned to the end of the video. Welcome back. I'm Ellen and pregnant with identical twin boys, and I am currently 21 weeks pregnant, and I'm going to be updating you on how things are going and how this past week of my pregnancy was. In my last video, I talked about my symptoms of headaches and heartburn that I had been experiencing for pretty much my whole second trimester up until now. I said how I was experiencing some relief from the headaches and the heartburn, and I'm pretty sure I jinxed that. So I have been having really terrible heartburn that actually wakes me up in the middle of the night, or I'll be dreaming that I have heartburn, and then I wake up and my throat's on fire. And then in terms of headaches, they are still happening. They're not every day, but when they happen, they're really bad. So I jinxed it. I totally jinxed it. I have heartburn and headaches still, and then still really super tired. But the baby's movement has increased. I am seeing them a lot more with every day that goes by. I can see them from the outside, feel them a whole lot more. Had an ultrasound and everything's still looking good. So a lot of positive and exciting things are happening too. Also, back pain. The back pain is kind of becoming a regular thing. Getting comfortable is hard. Like even in my nice comfy lazy boy that I'm in right now, my back starts to hurt sometimes in here. So that's kind of gotten worse this past week, and I think might continue to get worse. But here's what I did this past week that was really productive. I snipped off all of the tags to my baby clothes and got them ready to wash all of them so that I can wash them, put them away, and have the nursery in a little bit better order. And I'll tell you what, that's a tedious task, cutting those little tags off and making sure there aren't little sticky things left inside, but it feels good to have that job done. And now all the clothes are ready to be washed, so they're fresh and clean for when the babies get here. Then once I had all the tags cut off, I went ahead and just sorted them by size to get an idea of which sizes I'm going to need more of and which sizes we already had plenty of. So once that process was done, it was time to wash them. Also this past week, I started the process of packing my hospital bag, which I made a video of what's in my hospital bag part 1 because I haven't packed everything, haven't packed the twins' hospital bags or my stuff for my husband, but got the process started. And I also found a pediatrician, so that is something checked off the list too. So making progress little by little. I'm just going to insert a picture of how I'm looking this week because the shirt I'm wearing right now is baggy and I don't feel like changing, so this is how I'm looking at 21 weeks pregnant. Okay, so now answering this question, have I had any embarrassing symptoms so far? And the answer to that is no, not really. Nothing out of the ordinary, at least up until this point. Knock on wood. Everything's been pretty normal. I would say the most embarrassing thing is probably just going to the bathroom all the time and feeling like having to interrupt people is a little embarrassing. Like, hold on, gotta go to the bathroom. I know I went like 20 minutes ago, but I gotta go again. But that's not even really that bad. That's just, to be expected. But the answer to that is, as of now, nothing too terribly embarrassing. Okay, so that is it for today. I'll be back on Wednesday with another video for you. and I will see you then. Bye!